Are you looking for the best Holy Stone drone? In this video we will look at some of the best Holy Stone drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holy Stone HS600D Drone. Drone, upgraded HS600D GPS 8K adult drone is an enhanced version of the HS600 drone, specifically for adults seeking higher image quality and more stability, with a 3-axis brushless 4K EIS camera for even more stunning image quality. Professional HS600D drone for adults is equipped Sony/dot that retains electronic image stabilization, ELS, professional capturing of sharper, and make flying adventures new. FAA-compliant remote ID, the upgraded HS600D GPS 8K adult drone is free to fly without the need for an extra remote ID module. Powered by a dual battery setup, the HS600D GPS 8K drone is equipped with 2 batteries with a 40 minutes range and a total flight time of up to 80 minutes, providing plenty of time for uninterrupted aerial photography. Creative new features: HS600D GPS drones with camera for adults 8K. In addition to the feature, the drone now includes creative functions such as LN. While ensuring safe and reliable flight, it enhances the 4K HD experience, making it more professional and fun. Enjoy long-distance flying with the HS600D GPS drone for adults, featuring a 20,000-foot range. Capture stunning footage with enhanced image transmission, providing stronger anti-interference and a more stable connection compared to traditional Wi-Fi transmission. From beginner to pro enthusiast, transition effortlessly from hobbyist to expert, as well as the function of GPS return, the HS600D GPS drone with camera for adults gives beginners a quick start to experience exciting flights. Number 2. Holy Stone HS900 Drone. FAA compliant, lightweight but mighty, featured with Holy Stone latest design, Holy Stone HS900 GPS 4K drone weighs only 249 grams, 8.7 ounces. Holy Stone HS900 drone with camera doesn't need FAA registration or a remote ID in the States. Enjoy pure thrill and total freedom. Professional 4K camera, professional shots. Holy Stone HS900 drone with camera coming with Sony 1/2.3-foot CMOS sensor, f/2.6 aperture and a 48MP 4K camera, is capable of shooting 48MP photo and 4K/30fps 1080p/60fps video. Capture your world in remarkable details with Holy Stone HS900. 3-axis brushless gimbal, level 5 wind resistance. Holy Stone HS900 GPS drones with camera for adults 4K, equipped with 3-axis brushless gimbal to ensure smooth and steady filming in winds of up to 38 km/h. Extraordinary control system, unlock immersive flying. Thanks to Holy Stone advanced control system, no complex preparation is needed. Effortlessly control the Holy Stone HS900 drone's movements with simple operations. Enjoying a breathtaking perspective. Even beginners can fly confidently and with ease. Holy Stone Quick Shots for epic imaging. The Holy Stone Sirius app has easy-to-use filming templates that allow the Holy Stone HS900 GPS 4K drone with camera to take quick shots, automatic flying/recording, and generate professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. 20,000 feet transmission range. With the Holy Stone upgraded intelligent control system, the Holy Stone HS900 drones with camera for adults 4K gets 20,000 feet, 6 kilometers max transmission range to reliably fly further and capture more. Compared to Wi-Fi connection, Holy Stone control system is significantly stronger, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibility. Visual tracking follow, GPS auto return and other creative features. The Holy Stone enhanced GPS positioning system ensure Holy Stone HS900 GPS drones with camera for adults 4K accurate visual tracking. Holy Stone HS900's enhanced GPS capabilities and return home feature contribute to steady and crystal clear aerial shots, making the GPS drone with camera return to its takeoff point with simplified operations. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720 or 3-axis gimbal GPS drone. For KEIS camera with 3-axis gimbal, seriously pro shots, Holy Stone 2023 annual flagship HS720 or GPS drone comes with 1/3-foot CMOS Sony sensor and 3-axis gimbal 4K EIS camera 140 degrees wide angle, shooting 3840x2160p photos, with TF card, and 4K at 30 fps HD videos. Moreover, this GPS 4K drone with camera will generate professional-level photos and videos with the time-lapse photography technology. Upgraded 10,000 feet long-range transmission, with Holystone latest remote control system and powerful brushless motors, HS720R, drones with camera for adults 4K, gets a 10,000 feet max transmission range. The upgraded intelligent 2,950 mAh modular battery, supporting 26 minutes of flight, plus the advanced control system ensuring you reliably fly farther and capture more. Holystone latest GPS positioning system, Holystone HS720R, GPS drones with camera for adults 4K, is equipped with cutting-edge GPS technology, providing precise and reliable positioning for a smooth flying experience. This 4K GPS drone can automatically return once battery runs low or the connection breaks up. Flying the Holystone GPS 4K drone with camera for adults with confidence. Beginner-friendly, Holystone Advanced Remote Control, thanks to Holystone Advanced Intelligent Control System, HS720R, FPV 4K RC drone with camera, is easy to learn and master quickly. Beginner mode, auto hover and optical flow positioning can surely help you practice the drone control skill. Flying Holystone GPS 4K drone with camera can never be this easy. Fantabulous drone functions, the Holystone Ophelia Fly app allows the GPS 4K drone with camera to perform Follow Me, waypoint flight and point of interest to enhance your flying experience. Holystone drone with camera for adults 4K makes aerial filming easy for you. Always keep improving. Holystone product development team will keep improving the Ophelia Fly app of HS720 or GPS 4K drone to grant you the ever-improving flight experience. Contact Holystone anytime if you have any drone issues. Holystone support is always available to assist you with the drone issue. Number 4. Holystone HS720G GPS drone. Enjoy worry-free flights with Holystone HS720G drone which built-in, ensuring safety and compliance. The HS720G gimbal drone with camera has completed the FAA requirement. No need extra remote ID module. 2-axis gimbal with 4K EIS camera, with 2-axis motorized gimbal and 4K EIS, electric image stabilization, camera, HS720G FPV drone guarantees stunning and vivid footage and a bird's eye view without missing any details. It's your ticket to the sky. High-tech outdoor performance, the powerful brushless motors and a max battery life of 26 minutes ensure HS720G drones for adult stable flight and having enough time to compose the perfect pictures. The maximum distance for remote control reaches 999 meters. User-friendly, multiple functions such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, optical flow positioning are devised for the novice. Being a drone pilot has never been this easy. Powerful GPS module, the GPS module and optical flow positioning make HS720G camera drones safer, more reliable, and have extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, offering you the ability to fly farther and more stable. You can have a blast outdoors with your kids or friends without disturbance and restrictions of distance. All-round functions, Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest grant HS720G Wi-Fi FPV drone performance intelligent flights, freeing your hands up. Your perfect memories will start right when you switch on the HS720G. Never losing the drone, the emergency stop, smart return to home, GPS module, and one key return can prevent HS720G 4K drone from losing to a great extent. Don't hesitate to take it home. Great travel companion, the intuitive and advanced foldable design of HS720G GPS drone and the carrying case ensure the pilot complete freedom to wherever he wants to go. Less than 380 gram, the weight of HS720G is as much as a can of Coke. HS720G can definitely be the ideal travel companion. Number 5. Holystone GPS drone with 4K. 4K Ultra Clear Camera. 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture. Able to capture a perfect shot, 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. GPS Auto Return, GPS Assisted Flight. It can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away. Better flight experience. 2 batteries give you up to 46 minutes flight experience. And functions like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one key takeoff/landing and speed adjust make it so easy to beginners or newbies. Considerate design, this drone comes with a carrying case, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration. More intelligent functions, this drone can trace and follow you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles, and when you pose to the camera it will take a photo or video, let you enjoy the wonderful flight experience.